Your windows play a crucial role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. However, like all elements of your home, windows don't last forever. Over time, windows can wear out due to age, weather conditions, and daily use, and when this happens, it's essential to know when it's time for a window replacement. In West Colombia, where the weather can vary from hot and humid summers to cooler, more temperate winters, maintaining your windows is key to keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Here are some signs that indicate it may be time to replace the windows in your West Colombia home. Rising energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that it's time to replace your windows is a sudden increase in your energy bills. As windows age, they lose their ability to insulate your home properly. If you've noticed a spike in your electricity or gas bills, especially during summer months when your air conditioning is working overtime, it could be because your windows are no longer efficiently sealing out the heat. Old, inefficient windows often allow warm air to enter during the summer and cold air to escape during the winter, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can drastically reduce your cooling and heating costs by improving your home's insulation and sealing in conditioned air. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel drafts coming from your windows, even when they are closed, this is a clear indicator that your windows are no longer functioning properly. Drafty windows allow outside air to enter your home, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. This can be especially problematic in West Colombia, where temperature fluctuations can happen frequently. To check for air leaks, you can hold a lit candle or incense stick near the edges of your windows. If the flame flickers or the smoke moves, it means that air is entering through the gaps. Replacing your windows with well-sealed, energy-efficient windows will help eliminate drafts and improve your home's overall comfort and energy performance. Condensation between the panes. Condensation between the panes of glass is another clear sign that your windows need to be replaced. If you notice fogging or moisture trapped between the glass panes of your double pane or triple pane windows, it means the seal has failed. This trapped moisture not only impairs the appearance of your windows but also reduces their insulating properties. When the seal fails, your windows become less effective at regulating temperature and blocking drafts. Replacing these windows will restore their ability to insulate and improve your home's overall energy efficiency. Additionally, replacing the windows with modern, sealed windows will help prevent moisture buildup and eliminate potential mold growth inside the window frame. Visible damage or wear. Visible damage to your windows is a sign that it's time for a replacement. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause cracked glass, warped frames, or rotting wood, all of which compromise the performance of your windows. Water damage, mold growth, and corrosion are all common problems for aging windows, especially in areas like West Colombia, where humidity and rain can be frequent. If your windows are cracked or broken, or the frames are beginning to rot or warp, it's important to replace them as soon as possible. Damaged windows not only detract from the appearance of your home but also pose a security risk. Old, cracked windows can easily be broken into, leaving your home vulnerable. Difficulty operating windows. If your windows are difficult to open or close, or if they won't stay open on their own, it's another sign that they may need replacing. Old windows can become stuck due to swelling frames, rusted hardware, or buildup in the tracks. This can be particularly problematic in West Colombia, where frequent rain and humidity can cause wood frames to swell or warp. Windows that don't open or close properly can also pose a safety risk. In the event of an emergency, you need to be able to quickly open a window for ventilation or escape. Installing new windows with modern locking mechanisms and easier to operate hardware will ensure that your windows are both functional and secure. Excessive noise from outside. Living in a busy neighborhood or near a highway can expose you to constant noise pollution. If you find that outside noise is becoming more noticeable in your home, it may be time to upgrade your windows. Older windows, particularly single-pane windows, don't provide much insulation against sound, allowing traffic, construction noise, and neighborhood activity to disrupt your peace. Replacing your old windows with soundproof or noise-reducing windows can make a significant difference. Double-pane or triple-pane windows with laminated glass are excellent for reducing noise transmission, creating a quieter, more peaceful living space inside your home. Outdated appearance. If your windows are outdated or no longer match the style of your home, it may be time for an upgrade. Old windows can make your home look dated, affecting its curb appeal and overall aesthetic value. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to select the perfect match for your home's design and architecture. Upgrading your windows can enhance your home's visual appeal and even increase its market value, making it a smart investment, especially if you're considering selling in the future. You're renovating or preparing to sell. If you're undergoing a home renovation or preparing to sell your home, replacing your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. New windows will enhance the overall appearance of your home, improve energy efficiency, and make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Many buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready and have modern features, and updated windows can be a huge selling point. Conclusion: when to replace your windows in West Colombia. If you've noticed higher energy bills, drafts, condensation, visible damage, or difficulty operating your windows, it's time to consider replacing the windows in your West Colombia home. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows not only improves your home's comfort, security, and appearance but also increases its value. Replacing old windows is an investment that will pay off in energy savings, improved comfort, and long-term durability. Don't wait until your windows cause more problems. Upgrade to new windows today and enjoy the many benefits they provide.